Whoa! Do it! Do it! Do it! Oh my goodness! Oh wow! I'm impressed, Christine.
Suck it!
Yeah, Christine's doing real.
Yeah, she's doing real well. Well, John Ross beat you though, but she's still going.
I'll give her like a
How much?
head start.
Oh, you got it.
You got it. You're almost there.
20 seconds, then John Ross, you suck.
You're almost there.
See, she's a soldier.
It's a little slow, a little bit like a hamster.
Upper lip. Oh,
You're a soldier.
Low air.
No, you got it. You're not done. You gotta finish. You gotta finish. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more to go.
Upper lip. Don't close.
We're not trying to exploit you here.
You're good. You're good.
It's all in the sanctity of the bed.
Let air in. There you go. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, high five.
Give me that.